Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Is your girl Ada Beauty Skincare. So guys, in today's video, excuse me, sorry guys. In today's video, I'm just going to make a quick one. I want to do a rebadge of my soap. Yeah guys, I did this soap some time ago and I did not use essential oils. I did not use fragrance oil, or I did not add color to it. So guys, I have this lost soap that I used long time ago, so I'm just going to add this lost soap to it. I'm going to grate this soap. After grating the soap, then I'm going to melt it down using the double boiling method. Yeah guys, I'm going to use the double boiling method to melt this down and add my color and other stuff that I'm going to add before. So guys, I did this so before using milk. Yeah, I use almond milk, and I also use oatmeal milk and kojic acid and other stuff to it, and honey. So I'm just going to add my essential oils to it. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, leave your comments below. Yeah, leave your comment below. So if you want to know how I make this soap from the scratch, you can check my playlist. Yeah guys, you can check my playlist and you will know how I make this soap from the scratch. So now I'm just doing the rebadge. Yeah guys, I'm just doing the rebadge of this soap. So stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, I'm just going to mold it. So I may use my little molders, but maybe I may change it to my normal plastic plates. Yeah guys, so I think I would prefer using the normal plastic plate to mold it, and then I'm just going to cut it into pieces to my desirable choice. So guys, keep watching. Okay beauties, so my soap has been sitting for just, it's not even up to 2 hours. Yeah guys, it's not even up to 2 hours. So what I'm going to do now is to cut my soap. So guys, this soap is very safe to use. There's nothing harsh in this soap, no harsh chemical. This is purely oils and milk with my honey and kojic acid and essential oil. So guys, you can even use this soap on your face. The soap is safe. So make sure to like this video and leave your comments below. Share this video with your friends and make sure to subscribe for more videos, guys. Yeah, make sure to subscribe for more videos. And in my next video, I'm going to share with you how to make a whitening body scrub. Yeah guys, whitening body scrub, but you can also use it on your face. So stay tuned guys. I love you all. Bye bye.